Hi guys!
Hello everybody!
So we're back at the NEC again and we have found something exceptional that we need to share with you. Check it out. So we're on the Peggy Peg stand and this is their new SunBreak. Now, I'm not sure if you've seen this on their website. If you haven't, check it out. Definitely worth a look. And I'm going to tell you all about it because I think this could be one of the most innovative things that we've seen here at the show. It looks absolutely amazing. So what this is, 1.10 m long, and it's basically a roller blind, sun blind, which sits on your awning. So it's all kind of integrated into this bag. So waterproof bag, it's all inside. I'll show you what you get. Got this Cador strip which runs along the side here, easy to just slot into your awning. You can see that there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop it on this awning, which they've put up at the side here, and I'm going to show you exactly what it is. But you can see here that it unzips all the way down, and then there's a roller blind inside, which has got a mesh, which you can pull down as a sunshade. So let me just see if I can pop this on here. Need to just be a little bit careful because this is a kind of makeshift awning that they've put here. So just slide it on like that. And if I just unzip this, you'll see in here, there is a roller blind. Now, before I get into kind of how this works and everything else, there's a secret pocket that they've popped into the back of this, which has got all of the bits and bobs in, because this comes with, so just at the top here, you see there's a pocket here.
Yes,
and what you get in there,
the pocket.
what you get in there is you get two of these. So anyone who's seen any Peggy Peg stuff before, you'll recognise the tie downs. Those go on the bottom. So there, so you end up with two of those. You end up with your Peggy Pegs, which come with it. So they screw into the ground, and then those screw down to make the peg nice and tight. And then these obviously go in and help you tie it down if you want to. But the thing that I love about this is the fact that it's adjustable. So you can have it, if you're just sitting in your awning and there's a bit of sun and you want to pull it down a little bit, you've got a bit of screening, and you can see that you can still sort of see through this. So it's not a full blackout, but it also can go right down to the bottom where you can then tie it down and you can have a full screen if you want to. You can tie it flat, you can pull it out a little bit. But I tell you what a great innovative product. Because the other thing that they said is they specifically designed it to be 1.10 m because it's easy to put in a car, easy to put in the back of a van. Didn't want anything too big, but they've put magnets in the top of the casing here. So if you buy a couple of these, you can put them next to each other to create a much bigger area in front of your awning. They do two different colours as well. So obviously this is on a white awning that they've got here with a black one, but they do it in white as well. So if you've got a white awning and you want white side screens, they do that. And obviously you've got a black awning, you probably want the black one, which they do as well. So let us know what you think in the comments below. I think it's a fantastic product. Price around £99 at the moment. I think they're looking at that again in the summer. So if you want to be an early bird and get something at what I think is quite a reasonable price, the quality of it is fantastic. Definitely worth checking out their website and having a look at the SunBreak. So what do you make of that then? Let us know in the comments below. Just a short one this time, but thanks very much for watching. We'll see you again soon.